Hello guys, today I'm so excited to review this website. It's called Shipito, and I will show you my earnings and everything you need to start earning too on this Shipito website. So here's comes the getting started. So Shipito business model is making you having a website. You can get an address on the USA and you can shop to any store and ship it to the new address that you have settled on your address on your store. And once you combine all your packages, you can save money. With Shipito can save you money, and you can start affiliating other products maybe that you will earn with it. I just want to share with you quickly. Well, this is the program they are making. Here you can get a free shipping address to USA, which is really important to start your business model. Here we have email, chat, consolidation package, and all informations regarding this into one free, which is really good and awesome. Um, you can have here more attendance in the premium. Uh, this is the also here we have saving, start saving packages, and this is the benefit from earning points on this program, on their program, of course. Here I want to share with you my earning on affiliate product that I made. Here on this date of back to January, starting from 2022, starting from January until today, I'm gonna sort it this by here I make it on the table. You just make filters here, so I can show you, for example, here for January how much I have made. This is the profits. I'm gonna calculate this to show you the profit of here I'm gonna use la fonction, on va utiliser la fonction sum close. It gives us ici ça nous donne le total, donc it gives us the sum up of all the profit of January back to January. Here if we filter by it doesn't give us the filter, the necessary filter. Normally we should just go back here without having this. I will have the all table that I have. This is the back to our table here. As you might see, the profit is fluctuating depending on months, but to sum up to you all, here you can make so many profits. I have in purchase from America. I show you on my website that people on USA they are really um, purchasing, they are really viewing, searching wherever really. So the niche of USA is really important if you want to make money. This is additional fees you can have, and you have to be wary of this. It's really important to see the consolidation of the product, the commissions, every thing is really important. So if you want me to do a video on how to create account on this, and for example here to show you the shipping calculator, uh, this is the regions where you can get the purchase from. Here, if we have, for example, we're going to change it to kilogram because I'm more familiar with kilogram. Here, if we have a package of 10 kilogram, you wouldn't pay nothing related to this, which is really awesome, and that's why I really highly recommend the Shipito website. You can here calculate the warehouse and everything is dimensioned. Here we choose a box of um, also familiar with 10 cm and let's say 10 grammy and the height is also calculate warehouse to continue the boxes. Anyway, as you might see here, uh, if you exceed, of course, 10 kilogram, you will be charged for fees. And yeah, this is it. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you.